Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a busy morning here in New York City, where today is not going to disappoint. It's a beautiful winter morning in January and it's a very long time waiting for this to arrive, but my friend RM Collection invited me down for the delivery of his new car, a very special Lamborghini, here at Manhattan Motor Cars. If you know anything about Lamborghini deliveries, anything that involves a forklift and a crate with a car inside, it's a very special car. This one, sorry for the very loud sirens on the avenue behind me, but only 112 of what's inside of here. So it gives you a really good guess, but just wait until you see the color combo on this one. No room for error whatsoever. Very tight areas backing into the parking lot. This is very impressive work by these guys. So New York City is very limited on room, as you can see by the car lifters for the Porsche dealership. And this is going to be super tight. Forklift up against the wall. This is going to be fun to watch, but I'm sure for these guys it's a bit nerve-wracking.
Once you get lower, I'm going to back it up a little bit. Okay, here. All right, right here. Let's back it up a little bit. Yeah. That's pretty good, huh? So you want to get out, right? No. Right there. Right there. Right there. We'll back them up and we'll just work around the board.
Okay. Straight from Italy, the brand new Lamborghini Countach. And it is almost time for the car to be unveiled for the first time.
Yeah. Nice and easy with your slide. Yep.
You want them?
Yeah. He's still in there? Yeah. Oh, he's coming. Yeah, just slide. Nope, we're good. Just slide. Keep sliding. Watch out, dude.
Little sneak peek. Little sneak peek. Look at those wheels.
Let me get this one.
Ready? Yep.
Wow, it's sick.
Insane.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Wow. Wow.
Glowing. It's glowing. Wow.
White wheels. White exterior.
So good, yes.
All white on paddle shifters. White interior. Yeah.
South?
That's insane.
Estuve, no hay viento, está bien, sí, pero no sabés que los vientos están duros.
Está bueno, bien delicado. Pero arriba hay uno muy bueno.
Oh, sí, yo sé la parte donde no ven eso.
¿De qué color es?
The Countach made its way up to service. It's up here for its PDI, pre-delivery inspection. So that will get done, and there's so many details of seeing the car in the flesh for the first time. Like, I appreciating it more and more, seeing it in person, and I cannot wait for this car to get finished registered and for us to take this out. Again, congratulations to RM Collection for taking delivery of his brand new Countach. So many special features on this car. The white on white on white. And yeah, like I said, I can't wait to take this car out, do some stuff with this, maybe with 812 GTS, the F50, and yeah, whether it's in New York City or down in Miami. What do you guys think? You should go check out RM Collection, and I'm gonna be doing a lot more content with this car, obviously, once it's out of here and in his possession fully. But look at this beautiful metallic flake in the paint. But thank you to Manhattan Motor Cars for the hospitality and allowing me access to the car up here in service. It was incredible to see the whole process of unboxing the car, unloading it. Lamborghini does an incredible job getting the car from the factory to the dealership. Very nice handover to the owner. The delivery process is truly something special to experience. So, been fortunate enough to be a part of deliveries of other cars, Bugatti Veyron, things like that. But being a part of the delivery process for a Lamborghini Countach, incredible. And yeah, just so many things, so much carbon fiber in the car, regardless, with the white everywhere. And on the interior, take a quick peek. But Countach and the door sill. I'm not going to touch anything right now, but when the screen lights up, LPI 800-4, one of 112, the tricolore engine start-stop cover, and the steering wheel is actually white on the upper section, the lower section, and then black where your hands are sit, so it's not going to get extremely filthy, but the continuation of white extends onto the paddles, which is a beautiful touch. Really, really nice feature. It's great, great eye for detail seeing that. And yeah, once this car is fully done with the pre-delivery inspection, there are a lot of other cars inbound as well, which he hasn't announced yet. I'll let him announce it. It's really exciting though. A lot of really cool stuff in the works. So keep an eye out for more content with not just his Countach and his other cars, but his cars on other channels as well. It's gonna be all from now from New York City at Manhattan Motor Cars again. Thank you to both Manhattan Motor Cars and RM Collection for the invite of the delivery of his brand new LPI 800 Countach. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it, guys. Take care.